1501 AutoFolder can perform 5 different types of paper folds, each with their own unique applications. Here's how it works. The first step is setting the fold type. For double fold operation, make sure the front fold table is adjusted to the double fold stud. Next, adjust both the front and rear paper stops to the desired fold type. Make sure to fan the paper to be folded before loading it into the paper feed. Press the rocker switch to the on position for automatic paper folding and a quick on-off for manual folding. The paper will now eject through the front of the machine. Fold your paper in a fraction of the time by adding the Martin Yale 1501 AutoFolder to your cart today.